And this is where we had audio difficulties. Not too much that you're going to be able to hear. She's probably saying something along the lines of how awesome her husband is and how great he is at lawn care and just the best all around. You know what I mean? Just top notch. I mean, really just a nice guy. Just the best.
Customer of ours is wanting to put their house up for sale, and we are just getting it all cleaned up and looking good for them. This is what I'll be doing. I've already kind of cleaned up with the weed eater all the weeds that were growing up on both sides and around the mailbox. But I'm going to pressure wash this whole, I guess, walkway is what you would call it. And the guys have already started the straight edge, as you can see. They're gonna help get me all cleaned up before I start pressure washing. Honestly, I'll probably hit the stairs and the porch as much as possible. Just kind of get it looking good. But yeah, I hope you heard what I said. I know it's loud. So you'll probably stick around with me. Scott may record, I'm not sure, but yeah, let's get it done. Oh, and then there's another.
Again, audio difficulties, but probably more along the lines of how awesome Scott is. He's just the best, the top-notch, coolest guy I've ever met. Man, check out my sunglasses. I love them. Nice new hoodie there. If you want one of those, give us a shout. Scott is just awesome, awesome, awesome. Oh, look, a house, a chimney. Back to Scott being awesome. Just top-notch.
Well, good luck. We're back now, and she's got her cleaned up all the way to the end here. I don't know if she told you, Richard and I went and did some mowings, just a few. She's got it knocked out.
go ahead and show you the finishing touches. Look at that transformation. Now this tile was very tricky to get clean, and I didn't want to go too close to it and risk breaking it up and ruining it. So, and homeowner is totally okay with that. I've already spoken with her and showed her. She's just very pleased. Stairs came out great. I done woke up a ant colony. I don't know if you can catch all that, but they're everywhere. Woke them up somewhere, but you know, got your edge right here at the steps, and then we went all the way down the side, and it's drying right now, but when it fully dries, it's gonna be a big difference. And you know, your little cracks and broken up pieces, that's gonna be difficult. So you kind of just stuck with it, you know. I tried my best, I did, but the mud and wet, and it's okay. Homeowner's okay with it. But yeah, that's the walkway I did. Now I thought I was gonna do the back patio, but she has changed her mind on that. But there you go. And if you can see, it's got all the way right here. It's doing the chimneys. Be careful, don't fall.
All right, go cut it off.
I told Rich. Okay, sorry, I was needed. Had to cut the pressure washer off. So I'm not sure what we caught at the end, but yeah, we got the chimneys all cleaned up front and back. And now we are going, I say we, Scott's getting up there and doing it, but we're gonna get the front of the chimney. I drew a blank. We're gonna get that pressure washed like so.
There we are. Oh,
There you are. I'm just,
the old camera.
well, that's what I was using earlier.
I'm surprised that old thing still works.
It works. It works. Okay, I'll start you up.
We can't leave a customer's house without Mallory getting some kind of goodies. That seems to always happen.
I don't say no.
This is completely dry now, so let's show you this. You'd think she knows what she's doing. You would think she got a slight idea of what she's doing. It looks good though. And then the chimney up top, and there's another one around the back side of the house. But man, let me tell you, this is gorgeous. Back home now, America. Back home now, safe and sound. Everything went well. Pressure washer did great. We got a couple, three or 4 yards done today. A little easy day today, not too bad. We greatly appreciate you watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, so that way you can see what's going on with this guy. We'll catch you in the next one.